Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal. But if you've ever played around with the star tool or the star drawer and the blend tool, and then you twist the star, you get that. But you can actually go a little more extreme by using the Polygon tool in the same application. And first we're gonna draw a star. So I'm gonna make a 5-sided star. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to Control D. And while holding down the Shift key and the 2-sided arrow, I'm going to bring that in. Whoop, I must not have made a duplicate, so I'm going to just bring it out. Now you can select them both and go to the blend tool and blend them just 30 times. And you get that pattern. Now, when you use the blend tool, the outside and the inside are still movable. So if we grab the outside one and spin it, you get that a little bit of a twist pattern, as you can kind of see. But that's about all you can do with it. And I mean, it's still pretty cool, but if you do this and use the Polygon tool set on 5-sided, you know what? Let's go 6 and hit P to put it in the center of the page and then make it a 5-sided. Control D to make a duplicate. Using the Shift tool and the 2-sided cross. And then let's go a little further. And now let's take both these and blend them. And you can take the outside of this one, just grabbing the outside, and you can twist it. Now, the cool thing about it, it's still in polygon mode. So with your shape tool, you can grab these inside ones. And if you hold down the control button, it'll kind of go more to the center. You see my original polygon is not in the center anymore, but you can always grab it and move it and put it in the center. And you could still maybe even twist it a little bit more now. Now that looks pretty cool, but if we take it all and left click yellow and make it yellow and we bring in a black box, it really makes it stand out. And then you can do some other things with it. I mean, that looks pretty unique as it is, but if you go right here and click on it and get where you can, well, let's tell you what, let's go to object and convert it to a curve. Then as soon as we do that, we should be well, I can't make the lines thicker. Oh, you know what I got to do is go to object, break the blend apart, and then grab it all. Now there's my hairline, and I can make it thicker. Of course, thicker not necessarily makes it better because the lines will kind of start running in. Well, look at that. That's a solid, almost a solid line because the line's so thick. So go back, maybe make it at 1.5, and then your lines aren't touching. That's pretty cool. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.